rising fuel prices mean getting the most out of your tank is becoming increasingly important. Car manufacturers are doing their bit with new engine technologies that are not only more fuel efficient but also cleaner and better for the environment. Here at Lexus, we launched the world's first full hybrid luxury car back in 2004, and we now offer full hybrid engines across our entire range. Now, hybrid cars differ from petrol and diesel ones because they're also powered by an electric motor. This gives hybrid owners access to unique efficiency and performance. Here's how. Firstly, let's talk about performance. One of the first things you'll notice in a hybrid is the lack of engine noise at slow speeds. This is when the car is running entirely on electric power. It's really quite relaxing. One of the beauties of the Lexus hybrid system is that at low speeds, the electric motor produces lots of torque. And at higher speeds, the engine kicks in to assist the electric motor. And from that, you get lots of performance. Of course, the real hidden treat of hybrid cars is the fuel economy, which is superior to petrol or diesel equivalents. I'm now going to show you some driving tips that will help you get the most from your hybrid. Driving at speed uses more fuel and creates more pollution. Figures from the AA show that driving at 70 miles an hour uses up to 15% more fuel than driving at 50. Read the road ahead and drive smoothly. For instance, now I'm coming up some traffic lights, so if I brake lightly and gently, we will regenerate electricity into the hybrid battery, which can be used when we accelerate away again. The car does this automatically, so you don't have to choose between electric or petrol engine. It all happens in the most efficient way. The car I'm using today is the GS450H, which features the latest hybrid technology. Get to know the car's hybrid information display so you can monitor how much energy is being used. You should maximise the use of EV mode whenever you can. For example, make the most of it when you're driving around town. Be gentle with the accelerator pedal. Press it lightly but consistently to help keep the car in EV mode. Use Eco mode for improved efficiency. This will reduce response to aggressive use of the accelerator. When stationary, don't select N neutral, as electricity will not be generated and the hybrid battery will be discharged. Consider using cruise control to maintain steady speeds. Tidy your boot. Extra weight means you use extra fuel. Take out anything you're not using that day. Check your tyre pressures regularly. Underinflated tyres can cause drag, and so your car will end up using more fuel. Now, on some Lexus models, you can check the tyre pressures from inside the car electronically. Using the air conditioning can use extra fuel, so at slow speeds, it's best to have the windows open and the air conditioning off. However, at higher speeds, this can cause drag, so shut the windows and then use the air conditioning. So that's a run-through of the advantages of hybrid and a few tips that everyone can use to improve their fuel efficiency. For more information, please visit our blog.